Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. Madam Glam sent me some of their new rubber base gels to try out. So the first one is called Indonesia. Then we have India and Amazon. I'll be swatching the rubber base gels for y'all to see. The first coat was really sheer. Actually, all of the coats were sheer. It's not meant to be fully opaque. I did 3 layers on each swatch, but I'll only be showing one. These rubber base gels are really nice. My favorite is Amazon. It's really pretty. It's even better in real life. So let me tell you a little about these rubber base gels. So they are ultra flexible and strong. It's perfect for people with weak and brittle nails because you can use it as a protective layer for your nails. It's thicker than regular base coat and it's sheer. It makes your nails flexible so it will bend but not break very easily. It's really easy to use as well on natural nails. All you have to do is prep your nails, apply the rubber base gel, cure in the lamp, and then apply your top coat and cure, and that's it. If you want to apply a colored polish, you can do so as well. So today I'm going to be trying the Apres Dupe method. So I've already applied my Saviland full coverage nail tips and I've already buffed the shine from the nails. I'll be doing something really simple because I can't do a lot with these anyway. So I'm using India on the middle and ring nail. And the first coat was sheer as expected. So you also have to keep in mind that you don't want to apply too thick of a layer because the gel wouldn't cure neatly and it might just come out a hot mess. So thin layers work best. These gel polishes wouldn't come out opaque no matter how hard you try. On the pinky, index and thumbnail, I'm using Amazon, and the color shift and glitter in this gel polish is really pretty. I really love it. You cannot really see it on camera, but in person it's really nice. This gel polish has a pink undertone to it. So I cured for 30 seconds and then I did 2 more layers. Also, if you'd like to purchase these gel polishes, I will leave a discount code in the description as well as a link, so check it out. So I'll let you guys watch the gel polish application and I'll be back shortly. So when I was finished, I decided to apply some butterflies on the nails. I got these stickers from AliExpress and I think it looked so nice. Next, I placed some Madam Glam top coat on the pinky and middle nail and applied some cuticle rhinestones and cured for 30 seconds. Then I placed some rhinestones on the thumbnail and cured for 30 seconds. I top coated the rest of the nails and cured for 30 seconds. Oh my goodness, so I really like how these nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Next, I apply cuticle oil to my nails. These rubber base gels are really nice and I think some of y'all will really like them too. So let me know who's gonna buy these, and if you do, don't forget to use my code, which will be in the description below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!